Hello and good day. Hope everyone's keeping safe in this pandemic time. So my name is Harish Anpalagan. I'm the group leader for G17 and today we're going to present our IDP project called Portable Chicken Cutting Machine. Enjoy.
Hello, my name is Amira Maisara Betty alias. I will be talking about the problem statement of our product, which is firstly, the cutting process of chicken will take a very long time. Secondly, unhygienic of using conventional method because of blood will splash everywhere due to cutting a large quantity of meat. Lastly, customer does not receive the desired size of chicken portion. I will be showing you the objective of our product. Firstly, to automate the chicken cutting process, as current process using manually and it takes a significant amount of time. Secondly, to produce product which is cost effective, as the current machine are very expensive. As you will soon know, the price for our project is quite low and it can be affordable to those who have low salary or even students. After that, to ensure the customer safety during the cutting process, as the current way has a high risk of injuring the customer. Our project has a different point of view because there will be no contact of the blade with the customer, thus eliminating the chance of injuring the customer. Lastly is making the project lightweight and portable. The reason for making it portable is for convenient purpose. As the project is not only intended to use in household, but customers are also able to bring it anywhere they want, like BBQ party or camping trip.
Thank you, Maisara. So next we're going to talk about the parts. So the parts involved are base and lid. Here we use wood as is cheaper and also lighter to support our objective, which is portable. Next is the grill, which is where we're going to place the chicken on. So the grill is using a stainless steel food grade. Same goes to the blade, where the blade is also using a stainless steel. And here you can see there are 8 pieces of blade attached to the frame. These 8 pieces of blade are used to cut 10 pieces of chicken. The connecting parts, which are the hinge, the slider crank to turn the rotational energy into linear energy, which will be pushing the blade. You'll be seeing that more in the next slide. And also the motor. For the motor, we are using a very high RPM, about 20,000 RPM, just so that we can have enough force to cut the chicken. So below here, you can see the complete project, how it will look like. Okay, so here is a rotational view of the project with the inner parts and all. So basically the grill will go in, the lid closes, and then when the motor is switched on, it will rotate the slider crank and the slider crank will push the blade downwards. This is how we're going to cut the chicken. With that, thank you.
Hello, my name is Nur Alia binti Azidin and now I'm going to explain about the manufacturing process involved in our product. For our project, we have adopted 5 different processes, that is cutting process, welding process, 3D printing, bending and wood milling. For cutting process, it is used to cut the base and the lid to get the exact of dimension. Next is welding process. It is used to tap the 8 blades together and tap to the edge of stainless steel frame. For 3D printing process, it is used to produce the slider crank. The material used for this part is ABS. We are using the SolidWorks to design the 3D part before sending it to be printed. Then, bending process. It is used to bend the stainless steel sheet to produce our tray of our product. Lastly is wood milling process. It is used to remove the excess of the wood. As the finishing also, it is used to smoothen the surface of our product. Thank you.
Thank you, Alia. I am Tavinesh Kumar. Today I will be presenting about bill of material. The bill of material are wood, motor, blade, inks and ABS. Total cost are 113.75 cents. Next, we will be talking about variable cost and direct cost. For this variable cost, we need complete list of many resources. We are assuming we will be producing about 100 units per month. As for labor costs, the resources includes project engineers, QC engineers, operators. For other expenses are utilities, electricities, and end tools, and etc. This will cost around 20,000 ringgit only. Moving on is indirect cost and fixed cost. These are the lists that are needed for indirect cost and fixed cost. The material are used such as screws, hinges, brackets are all tighteners. The labors are such as project managers, admin office staff, supportive staffs are needed to oversee overall production. The other expenses such as rental fees, machine amortization are all needed. The overall cost are 7,000 ringgit only. Thank you.
Thank you, Tavinesh. My name is Rupamalin, and I'm going to talk about life cycle. As you can see from the top left, steel is transferred to steel or then hot rolled, then bent into our blade holder. And moving on to the next picture will be stainless steel, and stainless steel is actually treated to be fruit grade before it's created into a blade. Then the next material will be ABS. Then the ABS pellet is produced. After that, the ABS pellet is used in 3D printer to create our slider crank. And the following material will be wood, and wood will go through a milling process in order to create a perfect dimension of our upper and lower lid. And the last material will be e-waste, which is our cable and also our motor. And moving on to the next one will be our EcoWeb design. As you can see from the EcoWeb design, for ABS, stainless steel and wood is very eco-friendly. So that's why we actually selected it for our product. And moving on to the eco indicator, this value, it shows that the lower the value, it's much greener to the environment. As you can see, the total value for our material and the parts used will be 1982.03. And moving on to the next part, our use will be 441,881.538, and then as for disposable in recycling will be negative 259.04. In total, 443,604.528, which is even better than our old product. Thank you.
To conclude, the objective were achieved as the chicken pieces were cut manually. The project was automated in the cutting process and the project is lightweight since the material used were all lightweight. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.